Hi everyone, welcome back to the next Academy course on the website builder. You can see I've got the website builder open. A couple of things to follow up from our last session is around the save changes and publishing. So you can see I've got a few little call outs on my experience around some saves changes. So update to preview changes here on the right, save and update from a preview, unsaved changes noted here above this. This is really just calling out that as I make updates to my website, we'll call out those changes need to be saved. When you save and update changes for your preview, all that's really doing is saving those changes as a draft in your preview. You can keep making changes, save again, make more changes, save again. Only when you hit publish will those changes actually be updated on your live website. So we'll dive into a change now and you'll be able to see that in action. So I'm going to jump through today on editing the website. Today I'm going to focus on pages. So pages are the main part of your website. They're all the pages you'd expect to see in the navigation there in the preview. So you can see I've got a home page. I've got a home page noted here. I've got a contact page, I've got an about us page, so on and so forth. So for each of those individual pages, you can dive in and make some changes. So I'm going to jump into the home page here. And you can see I've got a number of sections available on the page. I've got an information banner, which is currently hidden. I've got a hero section, a voucher, menu highlights, so on and so forth. So for each of these sections, you can make custom changes to the content, the imagery, and whether they're visible. So take an example here, the information banner, currently set to hidden. I'm going to go in and edit this section. I've put some content in there, welcome. See the live demo for the new Flipdish website. I've got a button that I want to put in, and I've got a link address. You can add any URL that you want here, including to a different page within your website. So I've set that up. I want to set that to visible. So update to preview changes, save and update my preview. And you can see there now that information banner is now displaying. You can see that the hidden pill for the information banner has disappeared, and that section now is available in my preview. If I were to go ahead and publish, that would then be available for my live website. A couple of other sections to talk through. You've got the hero here, which is this main image section on your website. If I go in there, you can see I've got options in terms of what header I display to either logged in users or logged out. So in this example here, indulge in our pizza, you can see that that's the content that would be displayed to someone coming to the website who's logged out. I can choose to display the brand name, which is just the brand name here in the header. I can add an image and a secondary image required for desktop, which if I expand this out, you can see here is the secondary image that just displays when I'm logged out. That's the hero section. If I jump into the voucher section, you can just see this on the preview here. Very simply, I can put in some content, 10% off your first order, a little bit more descriptive text, whether this is a percentage or absolute amount and the actual amount. Jumping to menu highlights, and you can see that the preview on the right will jump down to the section that you select. Very simply, again, I've got a title, the best pizza in town, a subtitle. I can choose to actually show or hide the image. So this will depend obviously on whether you have a lot of menu imagery or not. If I choose to show the images and save and update, you can see now that those menu items do have the images. This is all pulled through directly from your menu at the moment, just pulling through the first 10 items in your menu. But again, we will be introducing some changes here so that you can actually curate the menu items. These will link users directly through to the menu. I've got the highlight section, which is largely a content-driven section. So if I jump into that, you can see here, this is really where you might have an opportunity to talk more about your brand, your journey, and the type of restaurant and store that you are. Again, there's a title and a subtitle that I can add. There's content I can add in. I can add some basic formatting to that. And there's also an image. And I can add a button. So I've added a button here with the label order now, and I'm linking it to my order page. Again, you can either link internally to a page or you can link to an external URL. And then if I jump into the testimonials section, these three sections, testimonials, app download promo, and image gallery, are global sections as indicated by the little icon here. That basically means you only need to edit them once, and they will edit across the entire site wherever they're referenced, and you can pick and choose the pages that you want them to display on. So testimonials, again, as you can see, the previews jump down to that. Very simple. There's a title, subtitle, and then you can basically add as many testimonials as you want, put the copy in and the author. I can remove them, and I can add new testimonials. Download promo. Really, this is just calling out to your users that you have an app. Very simply, title, description, and you can choose whether to include an image or a screenshot. As you can see here, I've got screenshot. All that really means is we provide a mobile border around your image to make it look more like an app. The links will display automatically based on other settings. And then finally, the image gallery. Very simply, again, title, subtitle. You can upload images, add an alt tag. Uploading image is very simple. You can just select to add an image. You'll have a repository of images that you've already added, or you can choose to upload a new image and do this obviously from any files that you may have on your laptop or desktop. Okay, and the final section to talk about today is the store locations. Again, a global section. Very simply, this is just turning it on and off for the page in question. You can see here I've got my locations widget displaying. This will pull automatically through the store setup in the portal, so no need to add anything. It will display opening hours, location, contact details, as well as links to the contact form. All right, so that's about Pages.